Hi, this is Brett Taylor at Taylor & Son Chevrolet, and this is our 2001 Saab 9.3 Viggen convertible. The Viggen is very limited production, hard to find model. See, it's got the nice factory Saab wheels. Tires are in excellent shape. So local trade into our dealership has a clean Carfax report, power convertible top. So you're gonna have dual power heated leather seating. You got driver memory. This is a 5-speed manual trans. So it has a CD player, climate control settings, heated seat controls, steering wheel radio controls. Power top controls are going to be housed down here. It is a one-touch open and close. See, it's got nice all-weather floor mats. Rear seating area is in nice shape. This is a non-smoking car. Viggen badging along the seats. If you've always wanted a hot little inexpensive convertible, this is an excellent choice. See the 9.3 badging on the rear of the vehicle. Passenger side, car is not tore up. Looking into the passenger side seating area. Does have a passenger side power seat. You can view this Saab and all of our inventory online at tschevy.com or call us toll free at 800-866-2138 and ask for someone in sales. Thanks for looking.